Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Experian credit monitoring via Experian Boost, full guide step by step clearly. To get started, visit the Experian website. Look for the Experian credit monitoring section. Click on the option to sign up for monitoring services. You will be directed to create an account. Fill in your personal information as prompted. This includes your name, email address, and password. Make sure to create a strong password for security. Once you have filled in your details, review the terms and conditions. Check the box indicating that you agree to them. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a verification email shortly. Open your email inbox and locate the email from Experian. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This will take you back to the Experian website. Log in using the account credentials you just set up. Next, navigate to the Experian Boost feature. You will find options related to credit score improvement. Follow the prompts to link your bank account. This step will help you identify recurring payments. Experian will scan your transactions for eligible payments. You can choose which payments to add to your credit history. Select the services you would like to include for boosting your score. Confirm your selections to proceed. After adding the eligible payments, review your new credit score. Experian Boost will show you how your score has been affected. If you're satisfied with the changes, continue to finalize your subscription. Provide payment information to complete your registration. Make sure to review all details before submitting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.